CPC-Y100 terrain forklift is a product of combined technology from China and Australia. It is equipped with Zeus WP6G125E22 engine for reduced noise and emission. This product uses full auto hydro-mechanic transmission and steering system for flexibility and easy handling. This model has a large handling capacity for its double bridge 6-wheel drive for improved safety and stability. Crosslink body design reduces turning radius. This model is fitted with grandma car seats for extra comfort. Movement control stick incorporates German ZF technology. The operating compartment can be tilted sideways to allow easy repair and maintenance of all parts. CPC-F100 terrain forklift is adaptable to various surface conditions. It is suitable to operate on soft soils, grass, terrain, mine sites, and many other rugged surfaces. Extensive range of attachments is available for this model to extend its working capacity for heavy-duty mining projects.